Greeting. This is Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can actually import a PowerPoint presentation into Google Slide, right? So for instance, you have a PowerPoint that somebody sent to you, and you go to it, and that's exactly what you want to present. What you want to present into Google Slide. How you going to go about doing that? All right, so I'm going to be guiding you through that particular process, right, and how we can actually do that. All right, so it's the first thing that we wanted to look for. I want to locate the internet browser, right? You notice right here on my desktop, I can actually right click on it and open it. I can actually go in my taskbar, but if you notice here, my taskbar it actually open. Now it actually opened here. So what I want to do to come all the way over here to the right, I'm going to click right here on the 9 dot. So first we have to sign in to Google Slide, right? So we're going to scroll down, right? We're going to look for the slide. This itself is Google Slide. So we're going to click it. So when you click it, if you're not signing, you're going to take it to a section where you have to sign in, right, in order for you to get that import done, right? And this other scene right here so that I'm actually in. So I'm going to select a blank, right? All of these are templates, but what you want to focus on is template right here, blank template. We're going to click on it, and while we click on it, we're waiting on it to come up, all right? And if you notice, this is it right here, so click to add type. But what we want to put here is a PowerPoint presentation that we have on the desktop, right? So I'm going to show you the exact one. So this is the PowerPoint that we want to import right here. Right, so very important. So the first thing that we wanted to do, right, in this particular area, right? Let me close the theme. I don't want to come all the way over here to the left. Or left, we're going to click on the word file. Notice this is the word file. When you click on it, bring up a host of stuff like rename, like download, right? Package available, publish to the web. But what we want to focus on is the word import slide. You're going to click on the word import slide. Right now, we're going to bring up this particular window. That's a presentation. Show you upload. But what we want to focus on is the word upload. So we're going to click word upload. It show you right here that you can actually drag a file here. But I'm going to click here to select from my device. So I click here to select from my device. Right, to actually wait on it for it to come up. Now this is the presentation that I want. So I want to click on it to highlight it. I want to come right here and click on word open. Alright, so we're going to open at next window. Notice this way that actually uploading here. Very important. Showing that you actually upload in that particular area. Alright. Now this is the presentation right here, right? And the option that it's going to give us is very critical, right? So notice right here, so no slide. You notice where it's an info slide here. It's not highlight. So right now, give me the option to select. So I'm going to select the first slide. You notice when I select the first slide, you notice if I come up here, the info slide, cancel one slide. So you have the opportunity to choose what you want right here. So I'm going to choose this slide right here. Choose that one right here. I'm going to choose that one. So this one. When I finish, I'm going to click right here. That's it, info slide. Alright, so when I click that one, that's it, info slide. Alright, I want to pay close attention to over here. And this is where the slide is going to appear. Alright, very important. Alright, so for this, notice here. So for this first one, that blank, you can actually right click on it and come right here and delete it. So while I delete that, now this itself come up here. You notice if I click here, go to the second one. If I click right over here, go to the third one, and this is now is Google Slides. So you can come right up here and put in the name here. Notice as I click on to give a name. Alright, what if you want to share it? You come all the way here, you can actually share it. If you want to present it, you click right here, so present. So when I click it, now this is what it shows you, but it's actually loading. Alright, so now there you go. So you can use the down arrow to select to go to the next one, just like that. So use the down arrow. If you want to go back to the previous slide, you press the opposite arrow, like that, and to take you back. Like that. So if you go through all of these like that, just like that, you notice individual. So you can actually do your presentation and explain from right here. If you're finished now, what you wanted to do, you can press the escape key, and that will actually take you back out of the full screen. Right? Very important. And this itself, if you close it as sign out, it's actually saving in Google Drive. Right? But if you want to sign out, you can come right here. You notice you see this picture here, but some of you might not see the picture. But when you start with M, you will see the word M here. When you start with K, you will see it here. So you're going to click on that, and notice you're going to show right here, sign out. You're going to click and sign out. So I hope you have learned something from that particular video.